Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming two essentials. Your battery is at least 50% or the device is plugged in, and you're on a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid data charges. Once done, unlock the phone and open settings. From here, you'll navigate directly to System or About Phone depending on your manufacturer. Doing this now puts you exactly where Android lists updates. Make sure to proceed immediately to avoid interruptions that force a restart mid-download. You now check for the update itself. Tap System, then Advanced and System Update, or go to About and Software Update for some brands. Press Check for Update and wait while your phone contacts the update servers. This can take a minute. If an update is available, press Download and keep the device on Wi-Fi and power. While downloading, avoid heavy apps. Once the download finishes, you'll be prompted to install, so you can schedule it immediately or during a low use. To finish, tap Install or Restart to apply the update. Your phone will reboot and then take a few minutes to optimize apps. Make sure you remain plugged in during this step. If the install fails, free up storage by removing 1 to 2 gigabytes of files or clearing app cache, then retry. If problems persist, back up your data and attempt a factory reset as a last resort, or contact your device maker. This preserves your settings and resolves deep software conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.